Hi, in the previous video, I introduced you to a topic known as the logarithm. I told you that logarithms are numbers that can be simplified using basic rules or formulated tables. Now, what are these basic rules? These rules are the rules of logarithms. The first rule is the log of a number to the same base is 1. That means that when we have log a base a, that will be equal to 1. So that means that log 2 base 2 is 1, log 3 base 3 will give us 1. The second rule will be log m raised to power p base a will be equal to p log m base a. If you notice, the power of m will go behind the logarithm. That is a very important rule in logarithm. Another rule is if m base a is equal to x, then m is equal to a raised to power x. Now, this is easy. Let me elaborate further. If you have log m base a is equal to x times 1. We can write that as x times 1. This can also mean that log m base a is equal to x log a base a, since log of a number to the same base is equal to 1. So now from here, reverse the process of rule 2 in this place. So this will give us log m base a to be equal to log a raised to power x base a. Now, when I've gotten to this point, you notice that log m base a is equal to log a raised to power x base a. The log is the same, the bases are the same. You equate. In this case, it seems similar to the indices. So in this case, you just equate m to be equal to a raised to power x. So this is the proof that when log m base a is equal to x, m is equal to a raised to power x. The fourth rule here is log m times n base a. Log m times n base a is equal to log m base a plus log n base a. This is why some people say there are relationship between the indices and the logarithm. If you have two numbers multiplying themselves in a logarithm, you can separate them by taking each of the number with the base and adding them together. That is log m times n base a is equal to log m base a plus log n base a. The fifth rule. Now note, before we go to the fifth rule, note that log m base a times log n base a is not equal to log m base a plus log n base a. Some people make that mistake, so please don't do that. The fifth rule will be log m base a to a base of b would be, this is called change of base. If I were to change this base, this would be log m base b, which is the new base we are changing into, all over log a, which is the old base b, which is the new base. This is very important because we can reverse this process in a question, or we go through the normal way in a question. This is called the change of base.